I'm just having me a talk with the man, sending my whole soul on a search.
This is a little backstory on the bird hunt you're about to see. This is something that my dad wanted to do. He wanted to do a bird hunt with me, him, and my son. So 3 generations of bird hunting. So we found a place that was about halfway for both of us, about an hour drive in Southwest Virginia. So we booked a hunt and just wanted to kind of dip our toes in this a little bit and see what, the bird hunting was all about. Now, I know traditional bird hunters are going to say this is not bird hunting. And yes, I know we were going to a farm where these are pen raised birds and they're setting out and the dog tracks them, jumps them, or the guy helps. But we knew that going into this. We just wanted to experience the bird hunting and see if it's something that we actually wanted to do before getting all that involved in bird hunting. So in the video you're going to see it was about 32 degrees. It had rained some that week, and as you can see in the video, the wind started really picking up. We are on top of a mountain, and when we got there, there was no wind, and it was about 34, 35 degrees. You can still see snow around in the area. And as the morning went on, the wind picked up and temperature dropped just slightly a little bit. So it did get a little bit cold, but not terrible. But I will say we did have a good time. And that's what this is all about. We really wanted to just go out, dad, son, grandson, and just have a memorable hunt with all 3 of us. And I think we accomplished that. Out of 9 birds, we wound up coming home with 6 birds. And, for us, that wasn't the goal. Our goal was just to go have some fun with 3 generations getting to hunt. And I enjoyed it myself. My son said he enjoyed it, and I know my dad enjoyed it. So for me, that's what this was all about. And it's probably something that we will do yearly as a dad, son, and grandson hunt. And hopefully one day, this is something I will get to do with my son and hopefully his son one day. So it's a tradition I would like to start, because, I know there will come a day that my dad will no longer be here. So I want to do this and enjoy these times with him and my son as much as I can. So that was the one reason in doing this is memories. And we made some good memories. We had some good laughs, and we just generally had a good time at the Mountaineer Farm in Southwest Virginia. If anybody has any questions, just shoot me a comment below, and I can tell you a little bit more about the farm and some contact information. But as you'll see in the video, we had fun, and I was wearing a new prosthetic knee. It's the Neuro from, I'll show you, Brain Robotics, the Neuro. It's a microprocessor knee. So I'm doing a week trial on this knee, and it was a little hard for me to adjust on the terrain that we were. So there was some points in this video that, I'm used to walking with a prosthetic knee that is completely free, has no assistance. And this prosthetic knee has resistance and assistance built into it. And I'm just not used to that right now. So there was, a couple moments where we're in some slick areas, and the resistance kind of felt like it was hindering me a little bit. So there was times where I was just switching the knee over to free and going back to the resistance and then back to the free. So it was a little learning experience, needless to say. But anyway, just wanted to throw that in there. But I hope y'all liked the video, and let's get to it. These are all the game that our guide has taken up in his cabin. In the next few clips, you're going to see that we were doing a little bit of skeet shooting while he was getting everything ready with the dogs and the birds. So we just took a minute to practice some clay pigeon shooting. So hope you enjoy the next few clips.
I'm gonna do one more. Unless we're shooting behind it. There you go.
Pull. Pull.
Behind it.
I know.
Say when.
Pull. All right, pull.
Way out there.
Pull. Pull.
You ain't shooting too early. Out there.
Pull. Pull. All right, pull.
There you go.
Pull.
One more time to read. Pull.
Pull.
Twice.
Yep. Pull.
You ready?
Pull. Pull.
There you go.
Pull. Pull. Safety off. So we had a straggler that he wanted my son to sneak down to see if he could get before we started the hunt. When it flies up, you're going to try to shoot it. G, you're going to be firing that way. It's going to fly up in the air. All right. Get it. Yep. All right, here we go.
That was a little bit close.
Huh?
That was a little bit close. That was about 20, 25 feet. If you would have hit it good,
Yeah.
you would have cut it too.
So you let them go out a little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let them get about 50 feet.
Okay.
About twice as far as it was.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Get your gun up. Be ready.
Ain't gonna have to spring that.
Nope.
That about hit the camera. That's a hard shot.
I made the dog's job a little easier. So this was a cool little sequence where the dog was trying to find the bird. This was the dog's first time out doing bird retrieval. All in all, the dog did really good. So just fun getting to watch the dog do his job.
Dead bird. Here it is. Dead bird. Dead bird. Here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good boy.
There's nothing up there. Alright, you walk up on Gavin.
Go right over there.
Try to shoot one if you can now, Gavin. Save your shell.
Ready? Yep. Be ready.
See, be ready.
I'll make sure it's high enough. Don't shoot my dog.
Well, let's get up there.
Man, them things are like mine. There it is. See how little it is.
Him small.
Rope! That leg drop is coming down. You got that one.
So this is a lot steeper than it looks, and this is one of the areas where I was having trouble getting the knee to work the way I wanted it to.
I know it's this one right up here.
There it is. You got it. Come on, Gavin, get your...
Both of y'all missed.
Did they both shoot at it?
Yep.
Yep. Come back too.
I think the dog was done and was ready for a little bit of playtime. Circle view of the view today. Up on top of the mountain. Got 6 out of 9 birds. Missed 3 and could not get them jumped back up. But I think all in all, me, my dad, and my son had fun today. This was just more about spending time together and the experience. So we'll have to do this again. Anybody wants to check out some bird hunting, check out Mountaineer Farms in Southwest Virginia. Appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, give me a like and a subscribe. Leave a comment below. We're going to clean some birds and get out of here.